I'm Srija. Recently graduated from University College of Engineering and Technology from Women from Information Technology. My passed out year is 2024, and as there are no placements in my college, I have joined the JSpiders in June, and I have attended the training classes conducted by JSpiders. Really, it was a very good experience for me joining in this, because I really gained a very much knowledge in technical skills like Java and web technology and SQL. The faculty, I have attended two interviews here, and in the second interview I got selected. Here the faculty who were explaining are very good and good training. They are more than 10 years of experience. The way they teaching and explaining is very good, which really helped us to learn each and every point and be industry ready and get to work in a company and set our path. And my package for selecting in Capgemini is 4 LP.